Hello, everyone. So this is David Dong Kwan Kim, a reporter from AV News, and today we are going to the start the online meetup before VIVATECH 2025 in Paris. This meetup intends to connect. This meetup intends to connect Korean companies with French local media, and to to uh, to under- to make sure they will gain they will gain they'll introduce their products and services to the local media, and we will begin the meetup. So today I'm with Leo Tiffany from Le Café du Geek and editor-in-chief of Le Café du Geek. So and this session, we'll have a Fliption Korea with live and 40i vision. In this order, we will conduct the presentation, then a Q&A session, 10 minutes each. So shall we begin? We will go first with the 40i Fliption Korea. So Mr. Jung, please proceed.
All right. All right. Let me start with sharing my screen first. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
All right. So my name is Hoon Jin, or you can call me David. And I'm co-founder and CEO of a company called Fliption. We're based in New York and Korea. So what we do is like we help fashion brands to recycle their used on-model content by providing virtual try-on AI. So every season, the fashion brands come up with a new product, and when the new product comes up, they have to hire model studios and rent a studio and hire photographers. And they have, after the season ends, they have to throw away all the contents as soon as the products are not being sold anymore. So instead of reshooting all contents every time when the new product comes up, we allow our clients to reuse the used on-model contents by putting with the virtual try-on AI with a single photograph of a new product, and by putting this new product onto the used on-model contents, we help brands to create a new on-model contents to promote online sales. And we help fashion brands to cut the cost like up to 80% and save time around 50% by removing all the photographing process. So basically, the main service that we provide is we change models' clothes with virtual try-on AI. So we ask like our clients upload their used model content, and number two, one or multiple product images. And then they have to wait 24 hours up to maximum 48 hours to get the result. So this is a sample example of how our clients are using our solutions. So the top images, 3 images, were their past model contents. And on the right side is their new product that they are trying to sell this season. And with those images, we create a new on-model contents we create a model contents of past model wearing the new product, so that the client don't have to proceed photo shoots anymore. So we let our clients to virtual try on outwear, top, bottom, dress, innerwear, and glasses, sunglasses, eyewears, all, and shoes and jewelries like ring, earring, necklace, bracelet, etc. So our solution is based on subscription based solution, and it's anybody can use our software through SaaS. It's already out there online, so it's pretty much easy to use for anybody else. So let me share these some other cases. For example, what if a client have used model contents, but the model's portrait right has already expired, or it's no longer available to use? In that case, we let a fashion brand to change the model with AI. So like this. So if a brand has like 60 or more than 100 used brand asset, we let them bring it to Fliption and we let them change the model to an AI model so that they can make it as their lifelong asset. And once they change the model, they can just select the model and then upload the product image, and then they can just choose some of the assets they have already made and put the cloth on the model like that. So this is basically this is the core value that we provide to our clients, and using with these steps, if they have an existing model and they are allowed to use it, just upload the product and they can just put this new product onto this model. It's gonna save more than 80, sometimes maximum like 90 or something more % of the previous cost, and we can save up to 50% of the time it's used. So it takes around like 2 days to get the first results. So no longer have to waste time finding models and etc. And even if they don't have a model, it's fine. They can create a AI model that best matches with their brand identity. And as I said, we use AI, but there are some clear differentiation in our technology. Usually, this is what open source AI looks like. So when the virtual try-on AI is, you run the AI, all the characteristics are removed. The letters go crazy and the shapes go crazy. So we added several steps after this. So we increased the resolution, and then we segment the specific part and we rerun the specific part so that the product can maintain its identity still. And also I didn't put it here, but the core difference is that our clients can upload a reference image to identify the exact fit or exact length of the product. So for example, the sleeve comes all the way to the wrist or just come all the way to the elbow. The customer can decide it by uploading a reference, but for AI, it's really hard to guess the exact size or fit. But with Fliption AI, we can do that because clients are allowed to upload their reference image to specify the exact fit, length, or color. So that's the main difference, how we've been satisfying our clients. And most of our clients say that I've already used virtual try-on AI and it was not commercially usable. It's not for us. It's only for B2C. B2B is not available. But we have 50% of exchange, like 50% of the clients who have experienced our solution, they become a paid client. So we definitely can say that our solution are definitely commercially usable. And this is what we provide, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much for time and all the explanation. So I will first start a question about fashion and Paris. So I guess you want to come to VIVATECH to get in touch with a French fashion brand. Is that right?
Of course.
So my question is, like, do you already have some contact or brands you are working with or you made discussion with in France?
Yeah, actually, we were in VIVATECH last year, and we had first touch with LVMH, and luckily we had a first meeting with LVMH innovation team, innovation tech, digitalization team, and startup like Station F team last month all together, and we applied for the LVMH startup supporting program. So we had a chance to talk to them last month. I don't know how is it going, but they do know Fliption, and actually they did know Fliption since last year, but they did recognize us. So nothing's going on, but at least they know us. It's one good thing. And to move forward, we are hosting our own event in 12th of June. So we rented a gallery by ourselves, and we are inviting French small and medium-sized fashion brands, and we already have like 8 brands applied for our event, and well, there are 22 more seats left, so we gotta do some more advertising during the event, during the exhibition. So yeah, we're trying our best to get in touch with actual French brand, but we're not there yet, but we're trying our best.
All right, yeah, no, it makes sense. The VIVATECH program is very good. I think you applied to the one for VIVATECH and the one for Station F. I don't think they gave any results yet, but maybe maybe soon because VIVATECH is very soon.
Hopefully, yeah.
There's a lot of fashion brand in France, so there's a lot of people to contact with. To do that, do you have a team that speak French, or you just only hoping that they can speak English?
Well, all of our team can are like partly native speakers in English, but none of our team members none of our team can speak French, but we do have a translator. But it's I don't know, like we know we don't have any French speakers.
Okay, it's good to have a translator during VIVATECH. You will see. It's very traditional, but French people don't really speak English so much, so it's good to have a translator on stage.
Yeah, you can say that again.
I had a question about the model and the generation because a lot of customers, final customer, they use the shooting pictures to understand how the clothes will fit. Like, will it be oversized, baggy, or skinny, and things like this. But how do your model adapt to this kind of different size of clothes? For example, one t-shirt, but another t-shirt is like oversized. How do you apply that?
Our client, so before like that very early stage of our startup, we just ran AI and the fit just came randomly. And to overcome the problem, we added a feature of uploading a reference. So our clients, if they have a specific fit or size in their mind, so that the results should look like this or look like that, they upload the reference image of a non-model, like for example, the owner of the brand herself or himself wears the product and took a selfie. It doesn't have to be good, or they put it on a mannequin, or they sometimes bring some other brand's product who has the exactly same fit. So they upload these kind of reference images, and once we have it, the fit issue is like solved.
Okay, so just an issue of how many pictures and the volume of content they can upload.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Okay, it makes
More
sense.
the better.
Yeah. And on the like first I would do this question, like could the final customer even upload a picture of himself and just try the clothes? Like for example, I'll just go on a website, put a picture of myself, and I see myself with the t-shirt in the future.
Yeah. I mean, in the future, if we success in lowering the price so that B2C clients can use it, well, it's fine. But currently the cost is a little bit high, so we're only opening it for it's open, but only B2B clients are willing to pay.
Okay, yeah, but it's with every like computer service or AI, like the cost only goes down by volume. So is the route you want to work on, or just something you don't really plan to work on mostly?
Of course, we're working on it. We're
Okay.
working on it, definitely.
All right. And for the generation, you said like it was around 2 days to generate the new the new pictures. Why not faster, and can it be faster?
Yeah, I mean, we succeeded in automating the half of the process. So online, if they use our SaaS service, it only takes 24 hours. But if they request it directly to us through email, it takes 2 days. So the reason why it takes 24 hours, as I said before, we run the AI several times, even in one images. Like, for example, this clothes have a zipper and some lines here and some signature logo here. So if these features are gone after the AI, we have to run AI 3 times. Okay, this part and zipper. So we run the specific part again. that makes some extra time. And at the end, human have to do the reviewing, whether if it's good or bad. If it's good enough, we just send it directly. We press OK to send it to client. But if it's not good enough, we click reject so that the AI can run it again.
Okay. And what's the technical limits for you right now to make it render like in 1 or 2 minutes?
Oh, so the technical part of like the one thing that we can now automate right now is that detecting the part where it's different. It's like finding which part is different from the original one and the AI version. But it's kind of hard to automate right now.
All right. Oh yeah. And all my questions were just leading to the one that when you will be at VIVATECH, are you able to do a live demo for friends that would come? That was my question. Like if you can render like in 2, 5, 10 minutes, then you can do a live demo and just send them to by email. But if you need like 2 days render, it will be hard to do live demo during the show.
Well, we can do the demonstration, but well, sending the result, it's gonna take 1 day, at least 1 day. But we can show them it's gonna work like this, it's gonna look like this afterwards. So let me just share a little like 2 or 3 seconds of how our service looks like. So it's like that. When you log in, it looks like this. And if you click the like type of your item, if you sell the upper, like if you sell the top, you click the top and you upload the product image here or something else or anything, for example, like that. And then you upload your model content that you want to put your product in, and that's pretty much it. So you choose a model, you upload the product, you choose the model. If you have a reference, upload it here. If you don't, just click generate, and that's it. So this is all the process the clients have to do. And once it's done, the results comes out like that.
Okay. Are you learning on from the clients? For example, if they tell you it's good or bad, are you improving your AI models?
Sorry, yeah, are we providing the AI models?
No, I mean, are you using the customer feedback to improve your own model? For example, they tell you like this one was not good generation or thing like that?
Yeah, of course, yeah. We do get a lot of, well, to be honest, some feedbacks that this has to be fixed. So that our client can click fix request here, and they can like, you know, tell like that mark which part, and they can write a comment or they can upload the image. This should be like this exactly, and then they send the feedback, and it's rerun. That specific part are rerun through AI again, and clients can get fixed version.
Okay. I think last question. Right now today, like what stage of development are you? Are you still a research project? Do you already have a few clients in Korea or maybe worldwide? How evolved is it?
Yeah, we launched our SaaS service last week, but even before launching, we already have 52 paid clients in Korea, Japan, and in United States. So we do have paid clients, and we have 16K in USD MRR, monthly recurring revenue, and we are making profit, and we do have a little bit of product market fit. But the problem is nobody knows about our solution.
Yeah, okay. No, it is. It's hard to be known as an AI service these days. There's a lot.
Yeah, so it's been
All
only
right.
like 4 months
Yeah.
since we started. So all we got to do is like satisfy clients and ask them to bring their friends. That's our main purpose of events too.
Exactly. VIVATECH would be a good place to meet these brands.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you could help us, yeah,
Yeah.
it's gonna. It's very. I appreciate it.
Yeah, we can discuss again in Paris in 2 weeks.
Nice. Hope to see you very soon.
Thank you very much.